In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo watermark in Canva and add it to a digital product. We'll create a clean, transparent logo file and then place it on top of your work so it's protected but still looks professional. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. A 500 by 500 pixel canvas is ideal for logos because it gives you a square workspace that scales cleanly across different sizes. Design your logo using Canva's text tool, graphic elements, icons, and fonts. Keep it simple and high contrast so it remains readable when it's small and partially transparent. Aim for balanced spacing and alignment, and avoid tiny details that can blur when resized. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export it with a transparent background. Click the Share button in the top right, choose Download, and select PNG as the file type. Check the box for transparent background so only your logo exports and the background stays invisible. Note that this is a Canva Pro feature, and availability may include a free trial. Click Download and save the file to your device with a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Next, open or create your digital product in a new Canva project. This could be an ebook cover, a product image, or a photo you plan to publish. Go to the Uploads tab on the left, click Upload Files, and select the transparent PNG you just created. Click the uploaded file to drop it onto your canvas. Adjust the watermark size and position to protect your work without distracting from it. Placing it across the center or repeating it diagonally can make it much harder to crop out. With the watermark selected, click the transparency button in the top toolbar. It looks like a checkerboard icon, and use the slider to dial in the opacity. You want it subtle but still visible. Somewhere between 8 and 20 usually looks good, depending on your background. If your product has light and dark areas, quickly test a few levels to ensure it's noticeable everywhere without overpowering the design. If you need more coverage, copy and paste the watermark to add additional instances across the image. Keep spacing consistent so it looks intentional and doesn't obscure important text or imagery. When everything looks right, click Share, choose Download, and select your preferred format: PNG for high quality, JPG for smaller file size, or PDF if you're preparing a document. Save the watermark file, and you're ready to publish with confidence. Thanks for watching.